Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into some of the best upsell apps that you can use to increase your Shopify store's sales. Whether you're a new Shopify user or looking to optimize your store, these apps are going to make it super easy to set up and boost your conversion rates. Let's get right into it. Alright, first things first, let's head over to Shopify.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. Once you're in, you'll land on your admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, to find upsell apps, it's super simple. Just go to the search bar at the top of your dashboard and type in Upsell apps. This will bring up a whole list of options. I'm going to show you a few that I personally recommend, based on features, ease of use, and customer feedback. 1. Essential Upsell and Cross-Sell. Our first app is Essential Upsell and Cross-Sell. This is a free app that's perfect for beginners. It offers a frequently bought together feature right in your cart, which is great for increasing the average order value. You'll also get product recommendations and upsell suggestions based on your customers' browsing habits. It's super easy to set up, and the best part, it's completely free. 2. Upsell and Cross-Sell by Sell Easy. Well, next we have Upsell and Cross-Sell by Sell Easy. Now, this one isn't completely free, but they do offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to a plan. This app gives you a lot of customization options. You can create tailored upsell offers based on different customer segments, set automatic discounts, and even display upsell suggestions on product pages and checkout. If you're looking for something with more control over your upsell strategy, this is a solid choice. 3. BOGO, Free Gift and Bundle Upsell. Moving on, we have BOGO, Free Gift and Bundle Upsell. This app is awesome for creating bundled offers or offering free gifts when customers buy certain products. It also has the option to show frequently bought together upsells. A great app for increased sales through bundling, and it's completely free. 4. Quickify Upsell. Lastly, let's talk about Quickify Upsell. This app is unique because it lets you set up discount pop-ups or a progress bar that encourages customers to add more items to their cart in exchange for a discount. You can also use it for giveaway promotions or to offer combo deals. It's a fantastic way to boost conversion rates while keeping customers engaged. And that's it for today's video, guys. These are just a few of the amazing upsell apps that can really transform your Shopify store and increase your sales. Whether you're looking for something simple like Essential Upsell or a more customizable solution like Upsell and Cross-Sell by Sell Easy, there's something for every type of store. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need help setting up your upsell apps, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.